I'm mad about is that everybody, like, okay, you put your tomatoes and your feta cheese and your seasonings and your oil, and you put that in the oven, and you make your pasta on the stove, whatever, boil that, and make sure that's done, and then you mix all that together. What's pissing me off is that nobody puts it, like, put some cheese on top and put that shit back in the oven and have baked feta pasta. What are y'all doing? Y'all ain't doing it, so I don't motherfucking do it. Even if I'm late on the trend, I don't want the trend. It's the meal. The meal's still gonna be there, bitch. Shit. Okay. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. It's Paradox here. You already know what's motherfucking popping. As you can tell by the title and the intro and the excitement of this video, we're gonna make that iconic TikTok pasta that everybody and their mama been talking about. But as y'all seen by the intro, I want to bake the pasta because it just makes sense to me. So that's what we're gonna make today. I might not have y'all like come with me like in the store because I can just show you everything when I get back. So we're gonna go to the store, get everything we need, and I will show it to you guys, everything that I've got. And then we can make this pasta. So if you want to see me make this pasta, and keep in mind this is my first time making pasta by myself, first time baking pasta by myself, you know, first time things, you know what I'm saying. So if you want to see me do all that, keep watching, and I will see you guys when I get back from the store. Okay, bye.
Shit, bitches ain't fucking with me. Bitches ain't popping like me. No, I'm finna light up a blunt while your nigga rubbing my feet. Do what I want, cause I'm that bitch. Thick bitch, resting cat bitch. Stuntin' on you was a hat bitch. Don't mean to be such a savage. Like, you bitches ain't fucking with me. You bitches ain't fucking with me. No, you bitches ain't fucking with me. You bitches ain't fucking with me. No, you bitches ain't fucking with me. You bitches ain't fucking with me. No, you bitches ain't fucking with me. You bitches ain't fucking with me. No.
Thank you guys for tuning into my video. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped because it's busting. Like, it's just good as fuck, and I'm proud of myself because I did it all by myself. No help. fuck. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Like this video if you want me to do another cooking video. Of course with Aura, because that's my bitch. We might be doing another cooking video soon. Put the card out here so you can watch our sleepover vlog, because we made stuffed salmon with Alfredo and some stuff last time, so I'll put the link right there. I will also put a link in the description box for a recipe that you can follow, and I will put my recipe of what I did, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Like this video if you want me to cook again, because I don't mind. Subscribe to my channel for more videos in general. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I post, because I used to post every Friday, but now I just post whenever I want to, and you don't want to miss out on no videos. Come on, do that, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.